What's up, everybody? Let's look at those trades that I was in. Trades that I'm still in. They will expire worthless. Boeing. I lost $216 on that. I was in the 240 and the 245 call. Right now it's at 235. So both of these contracts will expire worthless. Excuse the background noise. I got a overzealous landscaper outside. I'm just sitting there with his lawnmower running. So please pardon that. This dude. All right, Barber also, this is a loser. I was in the 230, 250. It's at 225, 37. Oh, dude, what are you doing? Until I was a winner. Ended up doubling up on that, almost doubling up. So I won on that position. I was in the 57 and went as high as 58 on one. So I got out at I got in at 39. I ended up getting out at 70. Close to doubling up. Zoom, that's a loser too. Today it went as high as 304.70. I was in a 325 call. So net, I'm down for the week. I'm down $496 for the week. So off to the next trades. I looked at my weekly scans. I don't see anything that I'm comfortable with getting in today. I do have some stocks that I'm going to be looking to get into next week. But yeah, I should have took that TLT. It didn't really do nothing. Let me show you something. Which one is it? Square. Let me show you. Square reported yesterday. It was favorable, and even though I got a buy signal. Remember, I really don't play earnings options. I don't play options plays during earnings because it's typically just not in your favor. But Square went up. It's up 4%. Went as high as almost 8%. Let's look to see what the options did. To show you, look, 48%, 60%. I mean, you could have made money in these options, but you couldn't get 100% or better for almost an 8% move. The options did go up 100%, but then they traded back down. So this is what I'm telling you about earnings plays. This would have pissed you off had you gone into these contracts thinking that you was going to make a huge gain because you were right in your move. But it really just made you a marginal winner. Let's go back to the scans. Go So I went into the next week's options. We got 7 days remaining. Most of these changed up. Yeah, so I'm not getting anything that I'm trying to get in today. So next week I will look into well, I'll look at it every day to see what I get. The name of the game is surviving for the winning trades. That's the name of the game. So I take my losses this week, move on to the next trades, on next multiple trades, and be up for next week. That's it, and that's all. I had already mentally accepted 3 out of 4 of these will be losers in the Intel position, although profitable. And they didn't go up strong enough to cover my losses. So Amazon took a nice dip. Why is that showing that? GameStop. Okay. Baba is giving a buy signal, but I'm gonna wait for. Let's see what the options look like. It's at 225. I'm gonna be looking at that 235 on Monday. Because it looks like it might be seeking to take out this low before it goes up. MU is changing back and forth. Put that in real time. Refresh that. Netflix too, I'm going to wait for another signal on the daily. So Netflix, Baba, I'm looking at that 520 call. It's a $20, $15, $16 move on Netflix that I will be betting on. Let me see what it does Monday. I definitely can get it at a better price than that. So I'm looking at Netflix, Baba. Netflix, MU changed up. Lyft reported this week too. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna hold it. Lyft took a nice little dip this week. that 50 contract for about $84. I'll wait on that too. So that's it for the week. We'll get back to it next week so you guys can see what trading is about. Again, to recap, three out of 4 of my trades were losers, so I ended up losing for the week. Boeing was a loser. I want you guys to get comfortable with losing in trading. Again, like I said before, if you're not willing to lose what you risk, and that's the key word, what you risk, make sure what you're risking is what is called risk capital. If you are risking money that you got to pay your rent with, you're making a big mistake. Because in this game, you're going to accrue losses. The name of the game is survival. You got to be able to survive the losses to get to the winners. That's the key. So if you're not willing to pay that price, and that's what, again, my motto about losses is it's the price you pay for the opportunity to win. Losses are the price you pay for the opportunity to win. That's what losses are. So you take them when they come. You don't fret about them or get emotional about them because you're not trading your rent money or your mortgage money. You're truly trading capital that you're willing to risk. So that's the name of the game. So again, I'm down this week $496. Make it back up next week. And the only way to make it back up next week is to move on and take the next trade or the next multiple trades. So you guys have a good weekend. Thanks for listening. And until next time, be safe.